Hello my dear students, good morning everybody, namaskar to everybody. Chapter number 12 and topic number 3 of the chapter electricity, and topic is that of the elements of electrical circuit, subject science standard 10th. Now what is electric circuit? The fundamental question is, what's the electrical circuit? Actually it is a path on which electrons used to flow. Means a path, a रास्ता जिस पे हम लोग कैसे चलते हैं, ऐसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को भी एक रास्ता चाहिए, जिस रास्ते पे ही वो चलेंगे, ऐसे वो इधर उधर घूम नहीं जाएंगे, राइट? So what is electrical circuit? It is a path on which electrons flow. For example, in a figure you can see when we turn on the switch, मतलब कि switch चालू करते हैं, then current will start flowing from the battery which is shown in blue color, sky color, and then it glows the lamp and then comes back to the negative terminal of the battery, right? So in the previous video we have already explained the direction about the direction of the current, so I need not to go in detail, because actually electron starts flowing from the negative terminal of the battery switch, then after glowing the lamp it will go back to the positive terminal of the battery, and chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, actually in this case after consuming the chemical power of the battery. Anyway, so what is electrical circuit? It's a path on which electrons flow, that is known as electrical circuit. And one more thing, switching on means this, turning on. Switching on means turning on. Switch off means open. Open, close. Turn on, turn off means open, close. Open, close. Turn on, turn off. Turn on, turn off. Okay, so you should remember this sequence. Now what are the different elements? Switch, that is a very domestic item in our home, and you know very well that switch are used to turn on or turn off the supply. Fuse was invented by Thomas Alva Edison, and it is a most protected device even today, just like his another invention, that is incandescent lamp, right? So fuse, actually we'll have to wire the fuse with certain type of certain alloy that we will discuss just now, okay? So that when certain amount of current exceeds the desired level, the amount of current, if exceeds the desired or safe level, then it will burn it out and the circuit will be open, so we will be protected. MCB means miniature circuit breaker, means it breaks the circuit whenever there is an excess of current, means it is an advanced form of fuse. It automatically opens. One which is thinner is single phase MCB. One, this is fatty. Actually it is 3-phase MCB, RYB, 3 phase of the electricity, and N means neutral. So these are the MCB, molded case circuit breaker, and full form is miniature circuit breaker. Wires, you know very well, they are actually conductor. They allow the flow of electrons in it. Cables are used to transmit electricity in a very bulk amount. This black color cable, on just a glance it may feel as if we are having a very big coil of say water tubes, but actually it's not water tube, it's cable, right? For more such videos, just keep on watching YouTube channel Free Education by R. Kasab. Thank you.